All right, this may seem like a really silly thing to share, but another little quick tip. If you're engraving letters into something and you've just changed out your bit, and now you've got your engraving bit in there and you're gonna have to Z-touch just to recalibrate, one thing I would suggest when you're doing that is, so for instance, if I were over here off of the letters and I were to hit the Z-touch button right now, that bit, the engraving bit, is gonna go down and it's gonna touch my surface with that point. And when it goes down and touches the surface with that point, wherever your crosshairs are located, you're gonna get a little indentation where that dot is. And so for me, what I always like to do is if I've just changed out my bit and I'm gonna do a quick Z-touch, I will always put that crosshair, that dot, right at the point of where I know it's gonna be making a cut anyway, so that then when I hit the Z-touch button, I'm gonna go ahead and do it so you can see. When I hit the Z-touch button at this point, that's gonna go down and it's gonna put a little dot right there. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but it left an indentation there. But that indentation is now gonna be where the cut is gonna be made anyway. And so you're not leaving a mark on your surface that you don't want. I hope that makes sense. Hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.